the shuffling madness of the locomotive breath runs the all-time loser headlong to his death. Oh, he feels the piston scraping, steam breaking on his brow. Oh, Charlie stole the handle, the train, it won't stop going. There is no way to slow down. Sees his children jumping off at the stations one by one. His woman and his best friend in bed and having fun. Oh, he's crawling down the corridor on his hands and knees. Oh, Charlie stood at the door. Train, it won't stop going. Oh, it's too slow down. Epic pan flute solo. He hears the silence howling, catch angels as they fall. And the all-time winner has got by the ball. He picks up Gideon's Bible, open page 1. I thank God he stole the handle. The train, it won't stop going, no. To slow down, no way 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 to slow down. No way to slow down. No way to slow down.